Hello everyone. Today I am drawing the school building. Let's draw and painting together. I am drawing the roof of the building. I love drawing and painting so much. Please try to draw with me. Do you like to go to school? I love to go to school. Because I have too many friends at school. I also love to learn. Now I am drawing the walls. Let's draw the entrance of the school. And now I am drawing the door. Here is a clock. Here I am drawing the beautiful heart. And now I am drawing the windows. The school has 8 windows. Let's painting the school with beautiful colors. Orange color. Dark blue color.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Brown color.
Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck 2.
Purple color.
Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock.
Light green color.
Tick tock, tick tock.
Violet color. Pink color.
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5, she went to her high. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock.
Light green color. Orange color.